Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's lesson I will teach you how to play A sus2. A sus2. So let's get started. So that's the sound of A sus2. Easy chord to play using just two fingers. To make the A sus2, you place finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 of the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then play strings 4 on down. A sus2. Okay, to play A minor, you just simply place finger number 1 on that 2nd string on the 1st fret. That was an A minor chord. If you lift off your 1st finger, that makes A sus2. Easy chord to play. So again, finger number 2 is on string number 4 of the 2nd fret. Finger number 3 is on string number 3 of the 2nd fret. And then you want to strum strings 5 on down. A sus2. Okay, to learn how to play other guitar chords, visit my playlist in the description below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button afterwards. Also, if you're not a current subscriber, be sure and subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation, just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscriptions so I could easily be found. And you'll be notified when new videos have been uploaded. So have a great day. God bless you.